Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am thankful to all those who subscribed to my channel and wrote encouraging comments. It always gives me pleasure to send study materials to my students through various digital sources. Don't you think it is a blessing to have all these technologically advanced devices to use in teaching learning process? But to run all these devices, we need power or electricity, which is of utmost importance. Not only in teaching, but electricity is also important in agriculture, industries, transportation, communication, and defense. So let us learn about power resources. Power resources can be classified into two major types: conventional and non-conventional. Conventional sources of energy are those which have been in common use for a long time. It means that since the last many thousands of years, we are using them. For example, firewood and fossil fuels. You must have heard from your grandparents about the use of firewood when they were of your age. Though it causes air pollution, still there are many people in villages using firewood for cooking and heating. Why? Because either they are poor or there is no availability of LPG. Fossil fuels are also the main sources of conventional energy. Any ideas what are fossil fuels? They are remains of plants and animals which were buried under the earth for millions of years and got converted by the heat and pressure into fossil fuels. For example, coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Let us know about these fossil fuels in detail. Coal. This is the most abundantly found fossil fuel. It takes millions of years in its formation. How is it formed? It is formed when dead plant matters decay and get buried under the layers of earth. Then they are converted into coal by the heat and pressure of deep burial over millions of years. Coal is therefore referred to as buried sunshine. Let us know some uses of coal. It is used as a domestic fuel in industries such as iron and steel and to generate electricity. Electricity from coal is called thermal power. I hope this is clear to you. Now I am going to tell you name of some leading coal producers of the world. They are China, USA, Germany, Russia, South Africa, and France. The coal producing areas of India are Raniganj, Jharia, Dhanbad, and Bokaro. That was all about coal. Now come to petroleum. The word petroleum is derived from Latin words petra meaning rock and oleum meaning oil. So petroleum means rock oil. It is called so because it is found between the layers of rocks, mainly located in offshore and coastal areas. It is also known as crude oil. What does the word crude mean? Crude means raw or impure. So, as the word suggests, it is found in impure form and used as a raw material in various industries. Do you know we get a variety of products like diesel, petrol, kerosene, wax, plastic, and lubricants. All these products are very valuable to us, due to which petroleum and its products are called black gold. The leading petroleum producers are Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar. And the petroleum producing areas of India are Digboi in Assam, Bombay High in Mumbai, and deltas of Krishna and Godavari rivers. That's all about petroleum. Next one is natural gas. Natural gas is found with petroleum deposits and is released when crude oil is brought to the surface. It can be used as a domestic and industrial fuel. Russia, Norway, UK, and Netherlands are the major producers of natural gas. In India, Jaisalmer, Krishna Godavari Delta, Tripura, and some areas offshore in Mumbai have natural gas resources. Now come to the last one, hydropower. The electricity generated from water is known as hydropower. Isn't it very amazing to know that the water is converted into electricity? But how is it done? Let me tell you. Rainwater or river water is stored in a reservoir on a good height. Can you see in the picture? From there, water is made to fall through pipes, which reaches to turbine. Can you see? A turbine is here in the picture. It is placed at the bottom of the dam. Due to the force of water, the turbine blades move and generate electricity. I hope you understood the mechanism to produce electricity. Do you know Norway was the first country in the world to develop hydroelectricity? Now let us know the leading producers of hydropower in the world. They are Paraguay, Norway, Brazil, and China. Some important hydropower stations in India are Bhakra-Nangal, Gandhi Sagar, Nagarjun Sagar, and Damodar Valley projects. That was all about conventional sources of energy. So children, we end today's class here. In the next video, we will continue with non-conventional sources of energy. Thank you everyone.